Welcome back. I'm on the UBC campus, and today my plan is to film the last video in the series. 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. You'll find 38 videos after this one in the playlist, consisting of the entire 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Thank you. There's a restaurant here that opens at 5, so we won't be able to go inside, of course. There's a surprise. Would love to come back from the things I've heard about. We're just filming where it is. You'll have to read more in their book, and better yet, come visit the Shameful Tiki Room. A number one prerequisite: never stand up when you can sit, and if you can, lie down a bit, relax. No matter what you do, enjoying life is up to you. The world is just a point of view. When day is done and comes the night, no pastime makes the stars so bright as greeting dusk with rum's delight. Of all life's pleasures deeply drink, at every worry give a wink. It's much later than you think. Pretty good, isn't it? Shameful Tiki. I think you pronounce it a big labyrinth, but I'm not sure if that's correct. I'll add something in the text when I edit and put it up, hopefully tomorrow.
Are we in your way?
No, not at all. I was trying to get inside. There's, I guess, a painting or something in there.
Oh, the labyrinth.
Labyrinth, yeah. Maybe I can get it on here.
I think.
But the door was locked, and it's in this book I'm doing a series of videos on.
Yes. Oh, it's amazing. It's today's Sunday, right?
Today's Sunday. You'd think it'd be open for sure since it's a church.
Yeah, I was.
Thank you. Hi. Hi. How are you? How are you? You're gonna be on YouTube. Is that building all locked up?
Yes, it is.
It's locked?
It is.
Some kind of labyrinth. It's in this book I'm doing a YouTube series on.
Right.
No problem. I'll put a picture in.
It's going to be open again on Thursday morning.
Thursday morning.
You can come by.
Thank you. 100 years plus, 2 men being able to pee at the same time for maximum efficiency. What an invention. What happened to the dual urinal? That's right. We go where many fear to tread. We go where many fear to go. because of our YouTube Scouts honor that we made to ourselves, and because we hold a fake certificate of completion of the 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. All right, it's almost a wrap. 2 more places left in the order I'm doing them right now. Not sure how that's going to end up in this last YouTube video. Number 38, part 38. Inside of all 38 parts on the playlist, 111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss. We need to find the Rose Garden. Is the Rose Garden that way? Up there. Okay. I can see that this would be a beautiful place when the weather's right, maybe in springtime. The book says there are 150 rose species here in the Rose Garden at the University of British Columbia campus. And here you can watch, when you come, the ocean. What's the name of your trio?
Carnival Band.
Carnival Band.
We're the Carnival Band.
And you got Instagram?
We practice every Monday on Britannia. We are Instagram, the Carnival Band. You can come and play in the band. Britannia, 7 o'clock, Mondays every day.
Britannia, 7
o'clock.
Okay, keep playing. Let's hear some sax. Can he walk and play that sax?
You sure can.
Nice. Chinatown. Happy Lunar New Year. What is it?
I said I got a 2023 Holy Shadows calendar, and I got a megaphone magazine.
I wanted to get this, but I don't know if it's open. I'm gonna see. We're open. Come on. I'm doing a YouTube series.
Okay.
111 places in Vancouver you do not want to miss.
Okay.
It's a book.
Yeah.
And this,
It's blue, right?
yeah, I've got it. It's all torn up, my copy, because today is the last day. I've got 38 parts.
Okay.
38 parts on my YouTube channel, Advisor Danny. Okay, we're out of here. Sorry, people. This would take its own YouTube series. Do you understand what I'm talking about? See the stress I'm under? Trying to get a little clip. Then I get engaged talking with wonderful people, and the next thing we've got another full-blown series. No time, no memory, no ability to keep it going. So we gotta wrap it up. Thank you. We gotta wrap it up, and we gotta keep moving. One more spot on Jervis. Gotta find out what that is. Perhaps no one has done more for those men and women, boys and girls who are restricted in their movement due to wheelchairs. Here in Vancouver, and it's in the book, the Blossom Center has to do with providing some of the most intense research into spinal related injuries. You remember we were here looking at Rick Hansen's memorial statue in the wheelchair, and that building is something of an architectural achievement, being extremely accessible all the way to the top for those like Rick and many others who move about with the use of a wheelchair. According to the book, this bike path every year sees 500,000 bike riders. It's closed up, the Spinal Cord Center, but you can just imagine what goes on inside here, helping make life better for some people. All right, let's move on. It's a great book that tells a little bit of the story. 111 places in Vancouver that you do not want to miss. Dave Dorgy, Graham Menzies, thanks a lot for sharing wonderful content in your book, which is available on Amazon. And you can go and check it out and fill in the details of this series we've had the great pleasure of putting together during the past few weeks.